Hi friends, I'm Margot J. Rathbun, and I'm certified as a nutritional therapy practitioner. I'm here today on behalf of SCD Essential Probiotics, sharing with you a delicious, a simple, and a nourishing smoothie recipe. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a peachy probiotic smoothie, and the key ingredient is the SCD Essential Probiotics. Here's what you're going to need to get started. So the first thing that you'll need to make this amazing peachy probiotic smoothie is, of course, your SCD Essential Probiotics. Now I love this product and I love the size of this bottle because it is so easy to take with you on the go. It's perfect for people who travel a lot. Best of all, SCD Probiotics contain 11 live probiotic strains, it survives in stomach acid, it supports healthy digestion, and it's also made in the USA. Best of all, it doesn't have any genetically modified ingredients, so that's amazing. For this recipe, we're just going to use 1 tablespoon of the liquid. Now, for our liquid base, we're going to go ahead and add 1.5 cups of organic coconut milk, which you can find at most natural health food stores. We're going to add 1/2 cup of your favorite mixed berries. I have blueberries, raspberries, and boysenberries here. The peachy part of the smoothie is, of course, our frozen peaches. You can use fresh peaches if they're in season, but they're not where I am, so I have frozen peaches here. And this is about 1 peach, or 1 cup. Now, let's give the smoothie a tropical twist by adding 1 cup of frozen pineapple chunks. You can use fresh as well. And let's give the smoothie a nice boost of B vitamins by adding 1.5 cups of freshly picked organic spinach that you want to go ahead and wash thoroughly. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so once you've gone ahead and blended up all of your ingredients, you just take a glass and pour that pitcher full of the smoothie on in. Ooh, it smells amazing. And let's give it a try to see how it tastes. I love peach in smoothies. The peach and the pineapple give it a nice fruity flavor. And in case you're worried that you could taste the probiotics, you won't even know that they're in there. So to learn more about SCD Essential Probiotics, be sure to visit their website at www.essentialprobiotics.com. And while you're at it, why not check them out on Facebook and like their page? Until next time, thank you for watching. Have a happy and healthy day.